let's go ahead and find the x and y intercepts of this parabola f of x equals x squared minus x minus 12. And what we can do is we can make a table here, an XY t-chart if you want to call it. So if we're going to look for the y-intercept, that means we're going to be on that y-axis. So all the x coordinates are going to be 0, so that's why we plug in 0 in for x. And that's typically the easier of the two intercepts to find, or possibly three intercepts, is the y-intercept. So f of 0 is going to be negative 12. So that's our y-intercept. If we want to find the x-intercepts, that means we're on the x-axis, so that means the y is equal to 0. So we can have multiple x-intercepts in this case. So this is quadratic, so quadratics will have at most 2 x-intercepts. So we're going to plug in 0 in for the y. Remember, y is the same thing as f of x. Okay. So we're going to replace the whole entire f of x with 0. So 0 is going to be equal to x squared minus x minus 12. We'll go ahead and factor that. You could also solve it by the quadratic formula, but that's a little overkill, so let's just factor it. X minus 4 and x plus 3. And then that's going to give us the two roots or intercepts here, so we're going to set each factor equal to 0, and we'll go ahead and solve those. So we'll add 4 to the first one, x is 4, or subtract 3, and we have x is negative 3. So that gives us the two intercepts, 4, 0 and negative 3, 0. Now if we want to do a real crude sketch here of what we got here, we could do that. So let's erase some stuff so we have a little bit of room here. So you got your y-intercept down here at negative 12, and then we have x-intercepts at 4 and minus 3. Oops. And so this is going to be some sort of parabola, and you can make fun of my parabola as I draw it. Well, it came out okay. Okay, so that's what it looks like roughly. So you got an x-intercept here, and then you got your y-intercept down here.